Yo, what's good, people? I'm here in London with my guy Karlos.
Yes.
You might know him from producing for people like Nines, Meekz, and many more. Sick producer, so we've just linked up to cook up a few beats. Not really sure what vibe we're gonna go for yet, but we'll just get straight into it.
What do you reckon? Do you reckon we should do the loop kit, or do you want to try and make a beat first, and then if it's not good, we
we could start with the loop kit, just
okay.
then
Come
it's
here,
like
yeah.
a warm up beat in it. We can just get straight into it. What type of vibes are in the loop kit?
So this is just a lot of UK rap kind of melodies,
okay.
just all UK rap. Some of them are like kind of upbeat, kind of hard UK rap, and then some of them is like a bit emotional. You know what I'm saying?
UK rap vibes straight away.
Yeah, like.
Yeah, sounds sick. These are all sounding sick.
Yeah, safe, bro.
This one was good as well. This one is sick though. Okay, should we just start with this one?
Let's go, bro. Let's do it.
You know what? Like most of the time I'll work just like around like 90 BPM, but I can work in double time as well, so we'll just run with double time. Flies following us around all
Nice
day.
skating on that screen, bro. Oh my god.
You know, with like the rap stuff, you probably do something similar as well, but sometimes I'll have like just a slow pattern like that, more bouncy,
Yeah.
and then just have like the second pattern where it's faster.
Yes, bro. 100%.
Yeah.
Like a kind of breakdown, basically.
Yeah,
And then it
course.
would get jumpy like.
That's it.
Yeah. Yeah.
You hearing anything on this?
I would just do the drop. You know what I'm saying? Like.
Yeah. Maybe get a section with an 808.
Oh yeah, that would be sick. Yeah. I always do that as well. I always do that here. It's high at first. To make sure they're in the right key.
Even to this day, like sometimes I mess it up, or like I'll, you know, if you've been cooking up for like a good amount of time that day and your ears just start burning
bro,
out, I'll
yeah,
listen
yeah.
back to it the next day and I'm like, wow, that's
What
actually
the
kind of out of key. Let me
Yeah.
go back and change that.
I like it like woo, yeah, that's yeah. It's so clean. It's so crystally, like it's nice.
Space is gone, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's knocking.
Yeah, that's slapping.
Do you want to do like a quick structure?
Yeah,
I'll add
fine.
anything to it.
Yeah, let's do a structure. We'll do a
Yeah?
structure. Yeah.
Alright.
All right, cool. So let's for this part, I'm not, you're very structured, I'm not structured. All my beats are a mess.
Oh, do you make the full patterns unique and then just take something out?
Yeah, bro,
Oh,
I'm a
okay.
messy guy, you hate my project.
Gives me anxiety, that shit.
Ah! It's like the, What kind of VSTs do you have? Do you have any like sick, cool sounding VSTs that you like?
Yeah, I've got I've been using Analog Lab recently.
Okay, I've heard about that. Yeah, I need to. It's just the space, innit?
Yeah, so Analog Lab's good. Obviously, contact banks and stuff. That's why I've got this hard drive just for the contact banks and shit, because it takes up so much space. What I could do though is just start on I could start something on a piano and then just flick through some sounds that I like. Sometimes I do that, you know, like just actually get the melody in keys, and then you can just, I don't know,
put it into
flick through some presets then, yeah. What tempo we're thinking?
Let's say 190, maybe.
190, yeah.
So 80, I think. Is that 80? That's not 80.
We can do it at 190.
Yeah.
Make some EDM.
That's the one. What do you think of this EQ? Do you like it?
I don't mind it, you know. I've got a fab filter as well if you prefer that one. But
do you know
I
what?
actually use this EQ a lot.
This is my favorite EQ of all time. I swear to God, I wish this EQ was in the other programs. This is literally my favorite EQ.
It's an interesting way of making melodies,
bro.
man. Like,
I don't know how I became like this, bro. I don't know how I got to this solution.
yeah.
But
most people like me, I'll just start with chords, lay something on top of it. But I like this. It's different. That's not bad.
okay, we're gonna go again up in pitch because I want it to sound more gritty. 1, 2. Oh shit, that was too much. That was too much. That was too much. Now I'm fucking with it. Now I'm liking it. Alright, cool. Last thing I'm
mad
gonna
how
do.
much changing the key can just do to your ears.
Game
Like, it
changer, bro.
just refreshes them. We could just drive it.
That was it. Yeah.
Just a bit of drive. I'll try one thing for the melody, just sometimes it works, sometimes it don't, but sometimes I'll just like bounce it and then like flip it, filter it, you know, so we've just got like another like top layer.
Yeah, let's do it.
Like that.
Try hear it with the main melody now, because that might give it a real good rhythm now.
Yeah. Stuff like this. It works every time, man.
laptop speakers are alright, you know.
Not bad, are they?
Yeah. I'll say it's like Fredo's freestyle kind of sound.
Right. Yeah, that was sick, man.
Sick, bro.